Professor Solis. We are going to talk about simplifying expressions, order of operations. Okay, so simplifying expressions, and order of operations. A lot of us have learned it called PEMDAS, but some of us have learned it with GEMDAS, G, because remember it's grouping symbols, parentheses, brackets, braces, anything under the square root symbol, anything in the absolute value. So if we remember, expressions do not have equal signs. So we want to make sure that we can simplify expressions using our rules for PEMDAS. So let's start with 6 plus 2 parentheses 3 squared minus 5. We'll do 2 different problems here. But this one here first, if we're following our GEMDAS correctly, we do grouping symbols. So we don't touch the 6, we don't touch the 2. These are our grouping symbols right here, the parentheses. So the 6 comes down, the 2 comes down, then we do inside the parentheses, we have an exponent. So we would do 3 squared, 3 times 3, 9. Then we'll just bring down the minus 5. But we still have grouping symbols, so we keep the 6 plus the 2. Then we do what's inside the grouping symbols, 9 minus 5. That would be 4. We still got grouping symbols, so we can't touch the 6. Now we do 2 times 4. Now we're just left with 6 plus 8 is 14. So this would be simplifying an expression using GEMDAS correctly. So let's try another one. We'll do 8 minus 9 plus 3 minus 2 squared, and we'll put another squared inside here. All right, so here we go. We're doing GEMDAS. We do grouping symbols. So grouping symbols, so we keep the 8. We do 9 squared, 9 times 9, 81, plus 3. And since I have 2 exponents, I can do them together. 2 squared is 4. This is saying 2 times 2. If this was in parentheses, then it'd be negative 2 times negative 2. So be careful with that, okay? So this 2 times 2 is just the 2 squared. All right, now we still have grouping symbols, so we got to do the inside. 81 plus 3, 84. Well, since we only have 84, we can drop the grouping symbols, and we really just have 8 minus 84 minus 4. So when you just have negatives left in there, then all you do is work left to right. So we can say 8 minus 84. You don't have your calculator, just kind of go to the side, negative 84 plus 8. Opposite signs, keep the sign of the larger number. Subtract. Remember, you borrow. So 14 minus 8 is 6. Bring the 7 down. So we have 76. Then you still have that minus 4. When you have 2 negatives, you add, keep the sign, and that would be negative 80. So that would be simplifying that expression using order of operations. Okay? Next time, we will look at combining like terms. Okay, see you soon.